Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, date and time. So if you want to change your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, use network provided time. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone. If you disable this feature, use network provided time zone. You can select it here. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.